Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Kia Sportage in an EX trim and powered by a 2.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around. And with all-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. Also freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking into your cargo area, which is pretty spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You also have your more storage underneath here. You can kind of fold this back and you have a ton of room here for all of your tools, equipment, whatever you want to put here. And then looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and down here in the center, you have a 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle does also come with a dealer-installed remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 26,171 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls to cycle through which information is displayed here on your center info screen, such as your Trip A information, Trip B information, digital speedometer, your fuel economy information. Then you can also cycle over to your radio controls, your service information, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then to the left of the steering wheel, here you have your traction control shut-off and your interior lighting dimmer. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's just try to navigate this. You have radio, auxiliary, Bluetooth, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. I believe you do also have HDD, so you can upload music onto here and just have it at the ready. And you have My Menu, so you can look at all of your controls and apps. You do also have SiriusXM, so that's good to know. You can also access your digital climate controls here, but then moving on from that, shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then moving on from that, you have your hazards, of course, and then you have your media controls, and then your climate controls here, your physical ones with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. But you do also have heated front seats with 3 levels each, and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. And then down here you have two 12-volt power outlets, as well as your auxiliary and USB, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and you have two cup holders, you have your all-wheel drive lock, your hill descent assist, and your drive mode button. So you have Eco, Sport, and Normal, of course, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. You have two little cubbies and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, so you can store some things in there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.